Today I want to show you how to create the after and before for the photo you have edited. So I have the photo I've edited before and I want to show you what was before the editing. So I will drag my original photo here in the Photoshop, and okay, we have a two photo in the layer. So I will press the Ctrl Alt and C. So we don't want to change the height. I want to double this measure. It will be 8, 5, 6. So that's it. Now we zoom out. Okay, I will drag it here and select this one and drag it here. So now we have the after and before together. So now you can save it or whatever you want. Thank you.